This one is completely dead. Do you see? Some try to throw it away, but we would like it to reciprocate. To open it, we need to push like this. Here it is. Okay, what is the problem? And we found the problem is these two, and we need to connect them back. Did you see? +5 and ground. USB plus, a red one, connect like this, and ground must be connected to ground like this. Okay, let's try to fix it. Let's try it. Let's collect everything back. Ta-dam! Let's check it. Ta-dam!
Yeah, it's working.
It's working.
Good job.
Awesome.